हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम परकीन रिएक्शन के बारे में स्टडी करने वाले हैं। सबसे पहले उसकी जनरल रिएक्शन, देन उसका मैकेनिज्म और उसके एप्लीकेशन के बारे में हम स्टडी करेंगे। सो द कंडेंसेशन बिटवीन एरोमेटिक अल्डिहाइड्स एंड एलिफेटिक एसिड अनहाइड्राइड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सोडियम और पोटेशियम सॉल्ट ऑफ द एसिड to yield alpha beta unsaturated aromatic acid is called as the Perkin reaction. Condensation between aromatic aldehyde, that means example benzaldehyde, उसके विनाइल हेट्रोसाइक्लिक अल्डिहाइड्स और थैलिक अनहाइड्राइड एक्सेट्रा, एंड एलिफेटिक अनहाइड्राइड्स दैट मीन्स CH3COO, फिर उसके बाद COCH3 यानी कि दिस एसिड अनहाइड्राइड. Then in the presence of sodium or potassium salt of the acid, that means ACONA or ACOK, sodium salt of acid, that means structure of this like this COONA. So this, and it gives alpha beta unsaturated aromatic acids. That means this is the alpha position and this is the beta position. Alpha beta unsaturated, that means carbon carbon double bond, and this is the acid. So let's discuss about the mechanism of Perkin reaction. So sodium salt of acid is dissociated like this. That means here is CH3CO minus and this is Na plus like this. So it act as a proton acceptor. That means it abstract proton like this and formation of carbanion takes place. It suggested that acetate ion abstract proton from alpha carbon of the anhydride and the formation of carbanion takes place like this. After that, carbanion of anhydride attack on the carbonyl carbon of the aldehyde and the formation of this complex takes place. Further, this O minus takes proton from the acid, like this, and the formation of this compound takes place. That means aldol compound. After that, this undergoes dehydration in the presence of hot acetic anhydride. So the dehydration like this, and the formation of this product takes place. Then on pouring the hot mixture in water, the mixed anhydride is hydrolyzed and the formation of alpha beta unsaturated acid takes place. Here hydrolyzation takes place like this, it to remove, and the formation of alpha beta unsaturated acid, and this is our byproduct. So this is the mechanism of Perkin's reaction. Now let's discuss about the applications of Perkin reaction. Perkin reaction has many useful synthetic applications. Here some applications are given. First one is the preparation of alpha substituted unsaturated acids. That means if you use CH3CH2CO2O, that means here formation of carbanion takes place, and this group, that means alpha substituted group, is also remain as it is in the unsaturated acid. So the title is the alpha substituted unsaturated acid preparation. Then second application is the synthesis of coumarin. So our mechanism is same. Here firstly anhydride form carbanion, then carbanion attack on the carbonyl carbon like this, and after the dehydration their unsaturated compound is formed, and after the hydrolysis this product is formed, that is alpha beta unsaturated acid formed. And after this rearrangement like this, here like this, and OH is removed, that means minus H2O. So the formation of coumarin takes place. Then the third application is the preparation of phenyl of cinnamic acid. This is our cinnamic acid. This is our acetic anhydride. It forms carbanion. Then I take here and the formation of the C6H5CH double bond CH already present in that reactant. After here another CH double bond CH COH is formed. That means vinyl oxoxynamic acid is formed. Then last and fourth one is the reaction with the aromatic anhydride. Perking reaction is also seen in the aromatic anhydrides also. So here ACONA takes hydrogen from the acidic anhydride, then the carbanion is formed, that carbanion attack on this carbonyl, and the formation of OH and here H. After the dehydration and hydrolysis, this product is formed. So this is the reaction with aromatic anhydrides. So this is the Perkin reaction. Thanks for watching.